Hiya, so it's day 8 after surgery, so it's my first full day of having the cast off. There's nothing really much to report today. So last night I slept really well. So Dr. De Silva recommends to put tape. I should have really put it on so I could show you, but so you tape from the forehead going down the side of your nose, just wrap it just underneath your tip and then back up, so it sort of lifts it up a bit. And to keep that on for pretty much every evening and a night, just whenever you can pretty much have it on, because it helps to reduce swelling, because obviously it's probably from having a cast on and then having it off, so maybe it's like slightly gradually getting used to it. But yeah, so I slept with tape on last night and that was fine. Obviously it felt quite weird on my forehead from where I can move, but yeah, no, it's not as bad as having a cast on, so it's great. Also, I didn't realise that I've been sleeping really upright, like I've been sleeping like this, but he only says like you can only to use 2 pillows, which I normally use anyway, so I slept with 2 pillows last night, slightly up more than I normally am, but not as up as I have been for the past week, so that's why I've slept pretty well. So yeah, my nose was pretty, I'm bunged up now, which I think you can tell from obviously how I'm speaking, but so this morning I wasn't that bunged up. I could breathe fine out of my nose. Last night I didn't breathe well out of my mouth, but then throughout the day it just started to get really like, not snotty or anything, just so I could feel it. So that's sort of maybe start to breathe out my mouth again because I can't blow it, so I'd rather just, I have used a nasal spray but it doesn't really go anywhere, so yeah. So today was the first day I actually went out of my house. I didn't go like out in public, I just went round to my friend's house, so they obviously saw my nose for the first time. But yeah, so today's been pretty good, to be fair. When I woke up I did see a little bit more swelling, like my nose seemed a little bit more wider. Don't know if you can even notice. But yeah, even with the swelling I love my new nose, so I'm just excited to see how it goes as day goes on. So yeah, I can't really think of anything else to say really. I think that is pretty much it. Yeah, so I'll update you tomorrow.